Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to book design pins for Pinterest on Canva. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to Canva, create Canva account. Now go to create a design, go to customize size, enter the size. For Pinterest pin, that should be 1500 px. So you can tap on create a design or you can choose from any of the option below. So once done, then it will take you directly to the Canva page where you can find a template for your Pinterest design. So you can go to design and then you can search for like food or aesthetic, everything is up to you. Pick a template. Now you can design this template and this will be our template for the rest of the pins. So first we're going to design this pin and later we're going to create a book design for this. So you can add here healthy recipes or let's just say healthy avocado recipes. Now you can add some effects, change font style, font size, background color, font color. You can also add the pictures here, but you can also do that later. So go to uploads. Okay, replace the picture. Here's my avocado recipes or avocado pictures. So I just want to tell you that you can only do this if you are using the pro version of Canva. Go to apps, look for book or book create, tap this one, click enter manually, and then here you can now add the name, word, anything here. So we will be adding some healthy avocado recipes. So here what you're going to do is you have to simply add here like 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. First, you can change the name, but you can also do that one later. So for this time, I'm going to add here name. For the second is image. But actually for the image one, this one is optional. You can just first do the name, or let's just say this is like the text. Okay. So for image one, two, three, four, it's okay if you don't do this. It's optional. But for the text, you should add this. For example, you need to add this each. Okay, so for example, the name of the recipe here for number one, the name of the avocado recipe here for two, three, four, five, and so on. Now once done, you can now tap on done and let's now connect data. Okay, so tap on done, go back to your Canva. This is what it looks like. So basically, we cannot connect the image, or if you tap on the image right here, there is no connect data. So that's the reason why I just tell you that you can do that add image later. Let's focus on the text. Click connect data and then connect this to the name. Okay, right click connect data and then after that you can now create a book design. So tap on generate, wait for a couple of seconds, and you should see that it's now ready. You need to tap on view folder. And here it is. You have a book templates for Pinterest. Now you can tap on uploads, import the picture, and then drag the picture to each frame. You can also change the text right here or add effects, add fonts, just a little edit, and you will have your book design pins for Pinterest. Download this, go to Pinterest, and post. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.